Welcome to Amara's Good Stuff, where curiosity leads the way and wonder never gets old. Today, we're heading into the rainforest canopy to meet one of the most colorful, curious, and slow-moving creatures in the animal kingdom. It climbs with care, sleeps a lot, and always seems to be smiling. Let's explore sloths. Sloths are mammals native to Central and South America, and they're famous for their slow pace and relaxed lifestyle. There are two main types, two-toed sloths and three-toed sloths, named for the number of claws on their front limbs. Both types spend most of their lives hanging upside down in trees, moving slowly to conserve energy. Their slow movement isn't laziness, it's a clever survival strategy. By staying still and blending in with the leaves, sloths avoid predators like jaguars and harpy eagles. Their fur even hosts algae, giving them a greenish tint that helps with camouflage. Some sloths have entire ecosystems living in their coats, including moths and beetles. Sloths have long, curved claws that act like hooks, allowing them to hang effortlessly from branches. Their muscles and joints are adapted for this upside-down lifestyle, and they can sleep up to 15 hours a day. Even when awake, they move at a leisurely pace about 0.03 miles per hour. They eat mostly leaves, which are low in calories and hard to digest. Sloths have large, multi-chambered stomachs filled with bacteria that help break down their food. It can take a sloth a week to digest a single meal. Because of this slow digestion, they only climb down from the trees about once a week to go to the bathroom. Baby sloths are born in the trees and cling to their mothers for several months. They learn how to climb, feed, and navigate the canopy by watching and mimicking. Sloth moms are gentle and patient, guiding their young through the treetop world. Sloths are surprisingly good swimmers. They use a kind of dog paddle stroke and can hold their breath for up to 40 minutes. In flooded forests, this skill helps them move between trees and escape danger. Sadly, sloths face threats from deforestation, road traffic, and illegal pet trade. As forests are cleared, sloths lose their homes and food sources. Conservation groups are working to protect sloth habitats, build wildlife bridges across roads, and educate communities about keeping sloths wild. Sloths remind us that life doesn't have to be fast to be full. They move with intention, rest with ease, and live in harmony with their surroundings. Watching a sloth stretch across a branch or blink slowly in the sun is like seeing nature take a deep breath. Thanks for exploring with me on Amara's Good Stuff, where the world, the ocean, and the stars are always waiting for you. Until next time, keep wondering.